Hello, welcome to Getting Started with Microsoft Excel. So you can see we can select different cells here, and here it will tell you there's C3, there's B6. So for instance, if I type to the number 10 here, and I went to C6, and I type in equals B6, it will equal 10. So that's a simple equation. So that's the thing that you can do, and which is kind of like the foundation of this. We can right click here, you get a bunch of different options. So for instance, we can press delete, and we'll say let's delete the whole row. So there we go, all gone. So another thing we can do is sometimes it'll sort of auto-fill stuff for you. So to type in Jan here, I could drag that across, and it will tell me all the other things. It will go through all the different months. I could drag it down as well. It will repeat all those rows. We could type in like a sequence, like say like 1 and 2. And let's make this one 2 and 4. So we drag these and then we go to the X. That's going to do like that. And then if we do this, okay, so it will sort of like work out what you want to do there. Let's try and drag this down, see what happens. And you'll see it's going to get different times table. So there's 4 different ways to format cells. 1, you could go in here, right click, format cells. 2, you could go format cells, say menu, and the other one is to do click there. We're in the format cells menu, and there's also a keyboard shortcut of Control and 1. Okay, so let's say we want to format these cells here. We can click here, and we say we want to align them. So we'll align them here to the center, press OK, and you'll see all the digits in the cells have gone to the center of the cell. Obviously, there's a few other things that we could do. Particularly, we could do the fill. So we could change we go to fill effects, and that lets you specify 2 different colors that you could have. So let's try this gray and then a slightly darker gray. Press OK. You see we formatted the cells. So these cells have now got sort of that 2-color gray fill, and they've also got center alignment. So what if we wanted to move this center alignment and gray fill over onto these cells here on the left? Well, we could select the cells here, click this button here, which is called Format Painter. Once you click that button, you'll see you get a little paintbrush there. And then I can drag and hold to select other cells that I want to format in that way. So let's drag those. You can see they're formatted in that way, the center and the alignment. But if you wanted to do it, you'll notice that but it does deselect the Format Painter after that. So if I wanted to do that again, we could just actually select one cell here, and then we'll format all those in that way. So different ways that you could format the cells there. So I think we're going to leave it there for now. So thanks for watching.